Deureong-seun Pudede. Hello everyone and welcome to One and Only Korean channel where we make learning Korean slang fun and easy. Today we are going to learn about two really cute and funny new slang words, Deureong-seun and Pudede. These terms cleverly describe being super sleepy or utterly exhausted. They will be super useful in your conversations with Korean friends. So, what do they mean? Deureong-seun, Deureong-seun, Deureong-seun. Deureong-seun is a cute twist on the snoring sound Deureong. Deureong is the onomatopoeic expression for a snoring sound in Korean. It's used to amusingly describe the state of being very sleepy. Because it has a cute sound, it's also often used to describe pets like cats or dogs when they are deeply asleep. In a similar vein, when you're so tired you can't even speak and just collapse from exhaustion, that state is expressed as Pudede. 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 For example, it's used in phrases like, well, my husband just went Pudede before I could even finish my sentence. Shall we look at the nuances of Deureong-seun and Pudede a bit more? For instance, school's over but I have 3 assignments. I want a Deureong-seun. Carries a cute complaining nuance, meaning I'm so sleepy, I just wanna fall asleep. I'm so tired, I will just have to Pudede today. It's used to express extreme fatigue, meaning I'm so exhausted I can't do anything else and just wanna collapse and sleep right away. Isn't that fun? Now you can express being sleepy or tired in a cute and funny way, just like Koreans do. Have you had a moment recently where you wanted to Deureong-seun or just to Pudede? Share your stories in the comments below. See you next time!